What up, YouTube? We back at it. We out here sliding. Y'all see what's going on. Got me and my dog in the whip, about to head to the shop. We still have about 30 spots left on the giveaway. Please get in as soon as possible if you can. I'm trying to get it over this week. I'm trying to do it as soon as possible for everybody tapping in, asking all the questions. We on the same page, y'all. We just waiting on everybody to get their spot filled. So stay tuned for that. We got that going. We're about to go ahead and slide to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and get all the parts for the Texas Street Glide on the way so we can have that thing sliding this week, man. So stay tuned, y'all. Y'all know we getting it in, we working. So we just made it to the shop. We got our 21. This is going on the Texas Street Glide. Got the fresh tire. We want that fresh meat. We don't want to have no used nothing. We want everybody to be riding perfect. Then shout out to my boy. Everything's regular. He blessed me with the inner. Blessed me with the inner outer fairing for the other Street Glide that I have coming. Yes, sir. We are back in the shop. Y'all see what's going on, man. Got that thing about to come with that belt drive we waiting on. We got this thing about to get its last final finishing touches this week. So stay tuned. I'm trying to have this bike complete this week riding along with that road glide. So that's what we focused on. We got all the parts. I'm about to go to powder coat and pick up the back rim. I came here to grab the back tire along with the front tire. And we got our front rim. Where is our front rim? Right here. Got our front 21 right here, ready to go. We're about to have this thing bolted up with a new tire. We got to just get us some fresh rotors. We're about to try to find some of those today. We're going to have this thing on its way, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got this nice paint looking nice and clean. I'm telling y'all see what's going on, man. We working. This is the paint set for the other bike that's at the Frame Doctor with all the pieces. I'm getting ready for it to go to the paint shop. That's why my boy came and blessed me with that inner outer fairing so we can get it on its way. So we're about to throw everything up in here. Yes, sir. We got that fresh, meaty tire. About to throw this joint up in here. We're gonna have both the tires. So now we gotta go ahead and grab our rim. We're about to go get this rim installed with the tire. So after this, we're gonna get the rotors. We're about to have this thing on its way. I'm gonna go buy my mom's, go ahead to get the package I got in the mail. We got the spacers to go right there. So we're gonna get that wraparound off and get the spacers going. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing on its way. Get the last finishing touches so we can get that thing out. Got him coming out. He'll be out soon. But Texas, you already know we up next, man. We about to get this work in. We sliding. So we sliding from the shop right now. We're about to go ahead and head to the powder coat shop so I can pick up the back rim. It's been sitting in the powder coat. We're gonna grab that, grab the transmission housing, and one more other piece from the powder coat shop. As soon as we get that on our hands, we're gonna go to the tire shop, install the 21 tire on the rim. Then we're gonna get that back tire on that back rim. So basically, once we get the bike rolling, I'm gonna go over the fluids and go over the whole bike. I know the only thing I have to do is put some more leg fluid in the fork leg. So I'm gonna disassemble the whole inner outer fairing again, take it off, check all the fluid, go over everything, go for a test ride. As long as everything work out, get the first ride in, we good. That thing is gonna be on its way to Texas in no time. So I'm trying to get it out this week. I just want to get everything perfect, get everything right so it could be A1, ready to go. Get that on its way. Then by then we can have the giveaway for the 2017 Road King fully done, ready to go. So let's please get in if y'all can, man. We had 30 spots. Let's knock it out this week. I got 6K subscribers. It's no way in hell we can't knock out 30 spots this week. Like, we have more than enough people, man. So tune in, tap in. Remember, if you win this bike, you can do whatever you want. There's going to be the pink slip to you. I wouldn't care if you sell it, keep it, flip it, paint it, build it. It does not matter. It belongs to you now. So whatever you please, it's whatever you shall do, man. So with that being said, we're about to keep sliding and keep working, man. Get in while you can, man. We ain't playing. Got that black on there, nice and wet, man. Got the front rim, got both tires now. Transmission cover. So we in the game, y'all. We about to put it together. Man, I'm so happy we got everything worked out and figured out. So I got all the pieces I need from powder coat. So basically now that I have that transmission piece, I can put that onto the transmission, get that bolted with the gasket. After that, I get to put the exhaust on. Once the muffler and the exhaust goes on, I can put the floorboard. So that'll be fully complete. From there, it'll be me just putting on the wheels with the rotors and tires, getting everything lined up as it should be. So stay tuned for that, man. I'm trying to get this bike done so we can slide. I'm gonna just grab these spacers real fast so everything could be perfect. Without the spacers, it messes up the tire and the fitment for everything. So you got to have them on there nice, tight, and perfect so everything can flow and everything will work out. So we're gonna do that. And like I said, man, if y'all haven't got into 2017, please get in, man. I'm trying to go live this week. I'm trying to pick the winner. I don't want to have this bike another week in my hands, man. I'm trying to get it done for real, for real. Yes, sir. So we got our package. We got the spacers right here, and we got the bolts. See, the difference is with these that the newer ones on the newer bikes, they come like a little bit bigger. I'm trying to open it to show y'all, but basically, if you have the small legs like the 13 and down, you need the ones like these. But if you have the other ones, you got the other ones that's like 14 and up, I believe, with the bigger legs, you can't use these. You need the ones that's completely straight on both sides. So just take that into consideration if you're doing this or trying to get the same thing done. So you got to stay on it, because it'd be the little parts like this that'll really hold you up and have you out here missing out, man. So that's what we on, but we're about to slide back to the shop, y'all. Got that shit on there, yes sir. Ooh. I don't even get it. Lorenzo's tires. Yes, sir. We done finally made it back in the shop, man. We in the home of the colors. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see, I was thirsty. I wasn't playing. I put the wheel on there immediately. We're going to throw the back rim up on there right now. I was trying to just get a look on there real fast. I got to, I'm going to assemble as much as I could after I get everything on the floor on the bike. And then from then, I'm going to try to start it, see how that goes. After that, I'm going to then tear down the inner fairing and the outer fairing really fast just to put the fluid inside of the legs. I have some, but I'm not 100% if it was all the way filled up. So I'm going to disassemble it just to be 100% safe. But I'm going to do that after I start the bike just so I can make sure everything is good, because I can knock that out in a day. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything for this joint. We done got the transmission housing right here ready to go. I had another one, but that other powder coat shop I took it to messed up my threads. This one is perfect. So in other words, y'all see how we can see the threads? It's not powder coated. That's perfect. So we're gonna put that onto there, get that on its way. Telling y'all, man, we coming. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, this guy won this bike for $100. He entered the giveaway and he won it. He claimed it. This thing is now headed to Texas. So stay tuned. We're about to bust it down, put these parts on, and get it going. So stay tuned, y'all. We slide and we working. And also, I don't want to forget, because I'm gonna upload this video as soon as possible. If anyone have a belt drive that bolts up to the hub, like I said, it bolts up to the hub. Not the one that slides onto here with the cush drive. I'm talking about the one that bolts to these 5 holes. If you have one of these, that is a 88 tooth. So I have to take off the bag so I can get the back wheel on, and I took the side panels off because I just don't want to mess up none of the paint. Y'all know how much I love this paint on here right now. So we're trying to get everything figured out, not even figured out, everything done without anything going wrong. But one problem I have noticed, which I never had dealt with before, I don't know why, this has this gap like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the primary cover back off with the fluid, just double check everything over here, because it definitely wasn't like that before, but we'll handle it. It's no biggie. Just want everything to flow right. I just noticed when I was trying to tighten it, it was a little bit tight. I don't want no cracks from no fluid leaking, so I'm gonna figure it out from right there, And then on top of that, we're gonna take this front fender off. We got the spacers. So now we're gonna get them things in right there and get it perfect. So stay tuned for that, man. We're about to have this thing on the road, man. Let's see what's going on. About to go ahead and get this fender off, put some spacers on. So stay tuned. Now y'all see what I'm saying? We got the spacers on there. This thing is hella dirty. Spacers on there. We're gonna go ahead and bolt it up so we can get it nice and tight. So now it's filled in nice and perfect. So it's way better with the rim on there. So stay tuned for that. So I went ahead and put the rotor back onto that rim. I just realized I'm still waiting on the rotors for the front rim. So I'm gonna try to grab those in person if I can tomorrow. And then on another note, like I said, the transmission problem I'm gonna handle tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Harley. I gotta grab these little beads that go on the front rotors with these bolts. They're like cups for the bolt to sit in. So I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna grab the gasket for the transmission. And we also gotta grab one other thing I cannot think of right now. I'm just gonna come to my mind. So, oh, the fluid for the fork. So we're gonna grab that. So tomorrow, I'm literally gonna take this whole outer fairing and inner fairing off and get to the forks. I really can just lift it up, but I'm gonna just get out the way so I can do it nice and perfect. Get that going. We're gonna complete the whole front end. I'll have the rotors to put the wheel on, have the front end locked down, completely done. Then we can just handle everything in the back. And it's really not too much. Just gotta put the wheel on there. But I wanna just make sure all this is complete. So that way, once we slide out, we sliding all the way to Texas, big dog. Y'all see what's going on. I just really want everything to work out perfect, man. I'm telling y'all, this stuff is mind blowing, how far these bikes really be headed out to the new owners. So I wanna make sure they're able to just enjoy the bike, and that's about it, and not have to deal with anything. So that's what we own, that's what we going for. Like I said, I'm trying to get this thing done this week. As soon as this is done, it's on its way. We got the other bike right here. I'm gonna take all these pieces to Antonio as soon as I complete both these bikes this week. I was trying to focus on two things at a time instead of everything else. So we're gonna take this to Antonio, get this on its way. We got all the pieces, everything right here going to powder coat. And like I said, we got everything on the floor right here. So stay tuned for that. Got the legs, primary, inner primary floorboards, cups, blase. And we got the wet paint right here, man. So we coming, y'all. We coming, man. We working and we working. But yeah, man, we about to have this thing on its way, y'all. I'm about to get the new wheels on the way for that joint. So stay tuned, man. We sliding. We got some stuff done. I'm glad we was able to catch back up. So stay tuned for tomorrow, man. I'm trying to get this joint on the road. Y'all see what's going on in the house of colors, big dog. We sliding, man. Y'all see what's going on.